Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today I'm going to tell you how to turn off the emergency call feature on Android. If you want to turn off the emergency call feature on your phone, so let's see how can you do this. You just have to open your phone settings, and here you have to look for emergency SOS, but it's too difficult because it can lie in any section. So you just have to go for search settings, and here you have to look for emergency. Just search for it and you will get the emergency SOS. Just select this one and here you will get the emergency SOS setting. You just have to tap on it and here you have to disable the settings. So let's see how can you do this. Here's the setting. You just have to tap on it and it will be disabled. And here you can see emergency SOS has been turned off. So that's how you can easily turn off the emergency call feature on Android. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until the next video, bye bye.